Yes, Mr. Sir.
With the consent of the other side, the document said item number 20 Malay. Can it be taken up in the next week Malay? Some difficulty there.
Why is it for orders?
The
Item number 22, sir.
readings are completed. It can be fixed for hearing.
Mr. B. Sharma, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondents, submit that he be granted. You have, why,
Informal.
has submitted, has prayed for an adjournment in the matter on account of certain personal inconvenience. So, such prayer is so made by with the consent of the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. So, accordingly, registry to list this matters after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by it for admissions.
Much.
May I please have lordship?
Yes.
14 lordship.
Huh?
Item number 14 and 15. In 15 and their lordship. 14
Mm.
is tagged with the 15. These two matters may come after 1 week lordship.
After a week. Today I'm not even my voice is, so I'm also not coming in today.
I'm also not feeling well, lordship, that's why.
On the prayer of Ms. S. Kanungo, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner is in WPC number 458/2022. The matter stands adjourned today. Also, registry to list the above two writ petitions again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Deeply well.
Ekalagam
Lordship, explanation item 13 Lordship. Conducting counsel Mr. R. Islam is not looking well. Lordship.
It is submitted in the bar that Mr. It is prayed on behalf of Mr. R. Islam for an adjournment in the matter on the ground that he is indisposed. Also, prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the respondents. Also, accordingly, registry to list this matters after 2 weeks, 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Okay.
Well, I think you mentioned item number 17, madam, with the consent of the
17.
17. He's some difficulties today, madam. Only for
A
that.
prayer is made on behalf of Mr. A.C. Sharma, Learned Senior Counsel, for an adjournment in the matter on account of certain personal inconvenience. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the respondents. Accordingly, registry to list this matters after 2 weeks on a date.
After 1 week, madam.
2 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Deep level.
Yes.
Item number 25, 26. I have been engaged, my lord, later, so I need some time, my lord. But I could not inform the other side.
No issue. We have made a note, Mr. Chaudhary.
Yes.
You need not be here.
10 days time or 1 week time, my lord.
Noted. When the matter is called up, I'll pass the order.
Advance.
You are for the petition.
Finish. Mr. SP Chaudhary, he will also be there.
Okay. Yes.
Malad, my prayer is malad, that the representation petitioner has filed malad. That can be malad disposed of malad. That is my simple. Since malad the office memorandum malad. Malad the office memorandums received from time to time malad. Did not say that negligence is to be proved malad.
Negligence is to be proved by you. You will have to bring on record materials.
Office memorandum does not say so malad.
I am asking you. This court is, how can I pass an order when the materials disclose that they have got no liability?
Kindly see malad the office memorandum dated 18/12/2013 malad.
You have a copy?
Malad.
You were working in some for some private individual in his house. The difference was less.
Paragraph 3 malad. Kindly malad. It is not denied that the accident has not taken place. 8 years has already gone by, my lord. If I go to civil
But
court, it will take
the-
another 10 years.
The accident was of sometime in 2012
My
March.
lord, my lord.
Their categorical stand is that you had never approached them with. That is your stand, Mr.
Yes, sir.
That you had never approached them.
They are, my lord, illiterate person, my lord, petitioner, my lord, which widow, my lord, when the husband died, my lord, with minor children, my lord, mental imbalances, they are, my lord. To dispose of the representation, my lord, that has been placed before the court.
Yes, Mr. Pathak, what do you say?
Lordship, the requirement is that negligence has to be established, Your Lordship. So even if it is sent back, Your Lordship, perhaps the,
That's the only fear I have.
Yes.
What will he establish?
yes, Your Lordship.
There is nothing.
He has a remedy before an
Civil court. You approach the civil court.
It will take 10 years more and more.
I mean,
almost
this
10.
money is nothing. This is
And
just
there,
a
Your Lordship-
token. The main amount you will get in the civil case only. As per the
Now it has
policy,
been extended, my lord, extended to 5 lakhs.
be that as it may, you may be entitled to 50 lakhs.
For a poor family, my 5 lakhs is more than, my lord, anything. Kindly dispose it of, my lord, directly.
Because say, I can dispose it of, but
My
there
lord.
is no material. I'm not finding any material to hold them liable.
Police report is there, my lord, everything. is-
Report, what does it say? We have read the report last time together. Nothing is there. It's you have a remedy against that person. Some Chaudhry. Jatin Chaudhry.
Yes.
So you will have to institute proceedings against him if required.
At least kindly pray, I pray for my lord disposal of the, my lord.
How? Or how should I? I'll have to record a finding.
Without going through the merits of the case, my lord.
You withdraw it, I'll permit you. You withdraw it, I'll permit you. Otherwise, I'll have to record a reason. Yes,
and that may prejudice this matter if we,
if I record a submission, even if I don't record a submission, my conclusion, even if I record the materials that are available on record, you are finished. Your case is closed. Because that's the material, nothing, no liability. Violation of provisions of the so-and-so on the part of the owner of the
Owner of
house.
Then with liberty, my lord.
Mr. P.J. Saikia, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. After arguing the matter at some length, submits that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition with liberty to approach the concerned authorities of the Assam Power Distribution Company Limited for claiming raising a grievance with regard to the accident involved in the matter and praying for raising a grievance with regard to the accident occasioning in the matter and claiming compensation for the same. Full stop. Mr. Costa Pathak, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondents.
1, 2, 3, and
1, 2, 3 has submitted that while he has no objection in the Learned Counsel for the petitioner withdrawing the writ petition, however, he submits that the materials available on record do not demonstrate any negligence on the part of the APDCL authorities, making them liable for payment of compensation to the petitioner for the accident involved in the matter. So, be that as it may, as Mr. Saikia on instructions have submitted, has prayed for withdrawal of the writ petition, this court is not proceeding to examine the matter on its merits, and accepting the prayer of Mr. Saikia, the writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal. However, with liberty is reserved to the petitioners to initiate appropriate measures, take appropriate steps in accordance with law to raise grievances existing in the matter before the competent authority oblique court.
How like you?
deeply.
Competent authority oblique competent court of law. Yes,
Yes, sir.
item 4, I'm praying for some time, because in the year 2020, I have made a submission that I have the instruction to appear before represent the petitioner, but till then, I have not filed my wakalat. So, give me a week time, so that I
That
can-
is why I gave you time on 22/4.
But
What right do you have? What right is violated? You have all been evicted already.
I'm not sure, whether it is evicted or not,
Now tell me whether you are appearing or not.
Give me 3 days time at least, madam. I can
On the
operate.
prayer of
I-
Mr.
if I
on the
do the
prayer
phone,
of Mr.
check the client, madam.
and Khatonia, Learned Council, raised it to list this matters again on Monday, 5/5/2024.
Okay, Lord.
Lordship, in item number 5, Lordship, FR submitted final report
Hmm.
on 31/12/23.
FF or FR?
FR.
Okay, other two,
And Lordship, in
you have the copy of that FR?
yeah, I have the instruction, Lordship, they have stated. FR number is there.
No,
Just
no
check up.
information has been given to us.
There was no notice given to
No,
you.
no.
No, notice will given by the court, Lordship.
That's what I asked you.
Yes. Yes, yes, number 354.
Oh, charge sheet has been filed.
No,
Charge sheet.
3,
In two cases, charge sheet has been filed.
yes.
Which 2 cases, madam?
Not two. Two cases are Nagaon PS case number 2708/2016 and Nagaon PS case number 32116.
16.
Mr. Savala, what we do is we'll ask them to give you a copy of this or the numbers. Your junior can note down. You take your instructions as well. Because certain cases have also been returned in FR. So those, whether Naraji petitions opportunity has been given. Where there is a charge sheet, I think that's the end of the matter.
Item number 7, Lordship, that pertains to Tezpur PS case number.
Hmm.
There also, Lordship, final report.
Okay. Mr. Borua, S. Borua, Learned Council,
SR Borua.
SR Borua, Learned Government Advocate submits that the pura ekalage mari bude 6, 5, 6, 7, 8 that the criminal proceedings involved in the above noted writ petitions have the investigations in the criminal proceedings involved in the above noted writ petitions have already been completed and charge sheets /FRs final reports have been submitted in the matter by the investigating authority. Also, Mr. Borua shall furnish to the learned, your name, madam?
K.
K. Bhattacharya, Learned Council, assisting Mr. G. N. Sahiwala, Learned Senior Counsel of the appearing for the petitioners of the particulars pertaining to the criminal proceedings, which have been stated to have, wherein investigation have been stated to have been completed. Also, Mr. Sahiwala, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that he be granted 2 weeks' time to receive instructions in the matter about the said development taking place. So, in view of the above, raised it to list this matters again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by. You give the
Lordship.
particulars.
Much.
Where is Mr. Roy? There was a representation before this state level SPAC.
State
What happened?
State Secondary Commission, my lord, case was registered.
Ah.
And after proceeding, the case was closed and disposed of by State Police Accountability Commission by the order dated 27 to.
What is the
No misconduct or serious misconduct was found against the police officers as alleged. This is the letter.
that is the end of the matter. Get Mr. Jay Borvian. Last time, that's why when I saw it was the representation before this pack also. That's why I wanted that instruction.
My lord,
Now the thing is closed, can be closed.
20 itself, my lord.
You are paying for?
And item number 10, lordship.
10.
Same, this one. Ten.
Then
No,
the
10.
next item.
Next.
Next item.
Little timing, bro. No, timing.
This is also pertains to PSO loss.
This is with regard to security.
Security loss.
Yes, what is this? Have you accessed the third perception?
And our affidavit in the lordship there we have stated malad no threat malad
Lordship at present again lordship provided loss.
Huh?
Again now on November provided loss.
What provided?
PSO loss.
Then you withdraw it. Then you withdraw it.
During pendency lordship, they provided and again withdrawn again now again provided loss.
Then you withdraw it.
prevents now malad.
Why, if you have been given a security, why are you continuing with this matter? Mr. Your name?
J Abbas.
Huh?
J Abbas.
J. Abbas, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the grievance of the petitioner raised in the present proceedings, has been redressed and he has been allotted a personal security officer. In view of the above position, petitioner prays that the present petition be permitted to be withdrawn with liberty to reapproach the court if the occasion so arises. The prayer is not objected to by Miss Udas, learned counsel for the learned government advocate learned additional senior government advocate appearing for the respondents. In view of the above, the writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for.
Lordship, the government advocates.
That state housing board. Yes, you are appearing.
The department is seeking some more time.
Why?
Officers are currently, my lord, engaged in that election. Once, my lord, that is done, we'll get.
Don't tell me that. You can take any other plea, but not this election. This is going too much. This is going too much. Your officers have all closed down.
That particular division, I am being informed, my lord, they are.
Division, this is by your authorities in Guwahati, in Dispur. Your PHE, huh? Where is the housing board?
They have, my lord, been deputed in the duties.
How housing board?
I know, my lord. PhD.
Where is the housing board standing council?
Will be under urban development.
Housing board, ASHB, it has been reflected. You call. Madam, you need not wait. Let your junior be here. You can leave. You have nothing more that money should be released to you. That much only. Your case is that and the interest. The interest they'll calculate, they'll give it to you. And at 2 then, ma'am. At 2. If they come before 2, nothing like it. It's already going to be 1. 2 at 2. I don't want to detain you. That's it.
Well, here,
Lordship, matter has already become infractuous, your lordship.
Miss
P. Handy.
P. Handick, learned counsel. M. Handick or P. Handick?
P. Handy.
You're not in the case. Why? Why has he not allowed you to sign the Wakalatnama? You will have to take this matter up very seriously. Appearing for Mr. D. Borua, learned, Mr. P.K. Bodlo is there. Mr. P.K. Bodlo, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that during the pendency of the present proceedings, the issue involved herein has been rendered infructuous. Accordingly, he submits that the writ petition be closed as having become infructuous. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. I. Bhattakur, learned counsel, standing counsel, PHA department, appearing for the respondents. In view of the above, the writ petition stands closed as having become infructuous.
Oblige, your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Burkhaiso.
In this case, I think it can be disposed of also. Because impugn order is at page 29. what happened, Lordship, a land was accused for some mala.
We'll dispose it on Monday. Today may be a little bit problem. As prayed for by the Learned Council for the parties, raised it to list this matter again on Tuesday, 6/5.
Obliged.
On that day, I'll do it. Today, not in a. Yes.
This is regarding partition and demarcation of.
Mr. Goswami,
Lordship,
done. Partition.
no,
Why?
that instruction I don't have, but.
That is what Mr. Das was supposed to
No, no,
receive.
that is not received, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship,
Madam, you are appearing for? Okay, okay. You are appearing for whom? For respondent number? There is no private respondent here.
No.
You are appearing for some official respondent, madam.
No.
There is.
Which is the item? Yes, I think you are madam for some other item. Some other item. Yes, why this instruction is not coming?
Not otherwise,
You have already filed an affidavit.
everyone has filed out.
You have said there you are taking steps. That's why we wanted this order dated 23/4.
Due to non.
No partition has been done.
My lord, partition has been done. My lord, order has been passed, my lord, page 54. But on record as well as on feed. Not done.
That is what we
That part-
wanted.
Yes.
Lordship, in our affidavit, Lordship, due to non-submission of consent of the co-partners. That is, we have not done. Lordship.
You have done the partition, Mr. Goswami. But the follow-up is not being done.
And consent from the other co-partners are not required as per section 97B, my lord. I am reading, my lord, the 97B. No person shall be entitled to apply for
Imperfect partition.
partition of an estate unless with the consent of recorded hearer holding in the aggregate more than one half of the estate. But here is involved
You are-
8 bigha, 1 kata.
One crore.
And we are 4 bigha, 4 kata,
More than 50%.
yes, more than 50%. So.
Mr. N. Goswami, Learned Council, Learned Government Advocate submits that he be granted a further week's time to complete his instructions in terms of the directions passed by this court by the order dated 23/4/2025. Raised it to list this matter again after a week. On a date 2/6/5.
After
My lord, date may be-
2 weeks.
My lord,
Date not delivered. Date not delivered. After, let's this matter
maybe
again on 2 weeks now, like a date to leave. How about DD application? We should DD.
obliged.
May be allowed to appear on behalf of Mr. R.K. Boya Lordship.
Mr. R.K. Boda is prevented from appearing in this matter. Yes, whether the allotment process has been taken to its logical conclusion.
Because that is a BGR level, in our affidavit, Lordship, we have mentioned.
Oh, we have given you a, we don't want you to allot him that land, but there is an application.
Okay.
There is a proposal prepared.
That is.
That is what we wanted on 22/4. Mr. Handick was, get Mr. Handick, he may know.
Yes,
Revenue
no,
standing council.
I have called, I have started with him, Lordship, informed that no instruction is.
Mr. Vatsaji, what is this? No, fine, but what happened? Any instruction? We don't want him, any instruction.
No, it's not. I have talked with him, Lordship.
Mr. A. Vatsaji, Learned Council appearing for the Revenue Department, submits that he be granted further 2 weeks' time to complete the instructions in terms of the directions, complete his instructions in terms of the directions contained in the order dated 22/4/2025 passed by this court in the present proceedings. So, raised in view of the above, raised it to list those matters again after 2 weeks on a date 2/6. Let him get it.
Lords, obliged.
Mr.
Yeah,
Bothagur, you're waiting for that delivery. We'll do it. We have controlled it. If my thing permits, today itself I'll dispose both the matters. Yes,
The petitioner has filed an affidavit in reply on 29/4/2025, that is yesterday, and
that is not on record.
yeah.
Mr. Your name?
I.L. Ngamlai,
Just,
I.L. Ngamlai on behalf of B. Barua.
you just write down your name and give it to him. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Borua, learned counsel representing the petitioner submits that an affidavit in reply on behalf of the affidavit in reply
Affidavit in reply.
on behalf of the petitioners against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 5 in the matter was filed on 29/4/2025. Full stop. Registry to verify the said fact. Registry to trace and tag the said affidavit along with the records of this case on the next date of listing. Full stop. Matter be listed after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Others.
Now you're in the right matter. Mr. Chakraborty has not instructed you properly, it seems.
I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 9 in.
Okay.
petition.
Mr. H.R.A. Chaudhary would be appearing. He has made a prayer in the morning for an adjournment in the matter for a week. We'll allow that because you were not here, so we did not pass the order at that point of time. Mr. H.R.A. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, submits that he be granted 2 weeks time. 2 weeks time. 2 weeks time in the matter. So prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents. Also, accordingly, registry to list this matters again after 2 weeks. Mr. Chaudhary had made a prayer for 10 days. I'm giving him 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, we'll take it up.
There is one interim protection till today. As per the last order, there is one interim protection till today. Order dated 26/6/2025, your lordship filed to. In regard to respondent number 9, there was an observation made.
The interim order passed by this court on 26/3/2025 shall continue.
26,
26/3. 3/2025 shall continue till the next date of listing. কি থাকি গ'ল এতিয়া এই অৰ্ডাৰ দুটা থাকি গ'ল আৰু হিয়াৰিং বৈৰাগী আছে নাই কিবা থাকি গ'ল নেকি কিবা Yes, Mr. Mandal, what are you waiting for?
Item 19,
Yeah, 19.
we are referring for respondent.
19 to থাকি গৈছিল নেকি?
Like this, orders.
Orders খিনি মাতি দিয়ক না orders খিনি মাতি দিয়ক এনে ৰখি থাকিব নালাগে Yes,
Therefore, my lord responded.
but the petitioner has not taken any steps for substitution. Who is for the petitioner? Mr. Nath. We'll have it at 2. If you get Mr. S. Nath, tell him. 21.
In this matter, my lord, instruction has been called for. Matter relating to transfer of family identity card.
Why? No affidavit? Why?
Who is lord?
Mr. N. Goswami, learned government advocate appearing for the state respondent, submit that the affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by him shall invariably be filed on or before 14/5/2025. Also, registry to list this matter again on 19/5/2025.
God bless.
So invariably be filed. Anything else? Any other matter who somebody is here? The house has the standing council. Mr. Borag will take up your matter at 2.
Extremely sorry, lordship.
Yes.
Item number 11. Unfortunately, I had missed a case, Lordship.
Ah. But we invited you by asking the registrar to register your,
Extremely
reflect
sorry,
your name.
Lordship. I was in outside the last 2 days. Today morning,
Okay.
I'm in Guwahati, Lordship.
Okay.
Sorry.
So
This-
now,
this
now
is
what
not
do you
better.
say about the
Lordship,
claim?
At least 2 weeks time, I mean.
No. What you don't have the brief today.
Lordship,
We'll have it on Monday. You
Lots.
complete your instructions.
Lordship,
On Monday, we are passing orders.
Lordship.
Mr.
T.R. Gogoi, Lordship.
T.R. Gogoi, Learned Counsel, Learned Standing Council, Assam State Housing Board,
Lordship.
submits that he would complete his instructions in the matter by 5/5/2025. Registry to list these matters again on 7/5/2025. On that day. Mr. Gogoi,
Lordship.
nobody has disputed the completion work of the work.
Yes.
But the part payment was also made. The rest payment is not made. There is interest accumulating under that MSME Act. So the earlier you clear it, better. Right? So you complete your instructions, come back to us you complete your instructions by Monday, we are having the matter on 7th.
Lordship.
Cut time,
7/5.
7/5.
All right.
Inform madam.
Lordship. All right.
Mr. S.R. Borua, Learned Government Advocate, on instructions has submitted that the representation preferred by the petitioner on 22/3/2018 before the State Police Accountability Commission was taken up for consideration by the commission, and a case being SPAC case number 109/2018 was so registered. So, on conclusion of the proceedings in the said case, the commission had disposed of the said case by holding that there was no misconduct, that no misconduct was borne out against the police officials involved as alleged by the petitioner hearing. Full stop. Mr. Borua has further submitted that in Haju PS case number 212/2018, this was instituted by the petitioner.
Yes.
Instituted by the petitioner. comma. The police, on conclusion of investigation, has already submitted its charge sheet in the matter.
This is against the 212 was issued against me, Your Worship, by
Okay.
against my husband and another.
Okay.
Son-in-law of the petitioner institute has a PS2.
No, you, 212, where is that 212 FIR?
Page 27.
Huh?
Page 27. Honorable is page 31. Your Worship.
Who is the informant here?
Sumi Begum.
Sumi Begum, okay. So Mr. Basar Burwa on instructions has submitted that the Haju PS case number 212/2018 registered against the husband of the petitioner and others have on conclusion has investigation in Haju PS case number 212/2018 has since been concluded, and the police has already, and the investigating agency has already filed a charge sheet, being charge sheet number 341/2018, dated 31/8/2018. FIR instituted against the husband and others, husband of the petitioner and others. So, what is left here? Your spec has already considered your case. You have not brought that on record.
Instruction I do not.
No, what instruction? What instruction? You submitted this, immediately they registered a case.
That I have already enclosed here.
No, you have only enclosed the representation. You have not enclosed even the number, case number. So, we dismiss it with cost, or you are withdrawing it?
Lordship, maybe thinks my senior is also he's out. Personally.
Also, in view of the above position, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the matter be taken up on Friday so as to enable him to receive instructions from the petitioner in the matter. Also, in view of the above, raised to list this matter again on Friday. Abuni by slip code. Huh? 1-5. No, Friday, Fukulbar. Ajim Budbar, Fukulbar. Duty 2-5. Yes, Mr. Nath.
I'm extremely sorry, my lord.
Oh, it's okay.
I missed the item, my lord. So, my lord, the last occasion I also took time. The petitioner.
No substitution has been made.
No, sir, madam. I
Then-
have not been furnished with any particulars.
Then we'll
So
close
I
it
could not, that, my lord,
because this matter is pending for this. You had not appeared, I think, from August onwards. Then,
my
6
fear is that, my lord, one may be stuck off because our matter may be fixed on Friday. I will take instruction. If his, because there are 3 petitioners. Regarding other petitioners, that will survive, my lord.
you file an application for deletion.
Yes, my lord, that,
Mr. S. Nath, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, submits that he is yet to receive the particulars about the legal heirs of the petition number 1, and accordingly, he was not in a position to file the application for substitution of the petitioner number 1 in the present proceedings. He submits that the necessary steps in this matter shall be taken by him within a period of 1 week from today. Also, accordingly, registry to list these matters again after a week on a date to be fixed by. Mr. M.U. Mondal, learned counsel, representing the respondent number 4 is present. And along with Mr. N. Goswami, learned government advocate appearing for the respondent number 2 and 3, and Mr. M.U. Mondal, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 4 are present.
obliged.
22 for hearing.
Who will be opposing him? You or
The Goswami will come up. Taking it from there.
In this matter, we have filed a.
We have gone through it. If Mr. Goswami has something to say, we will, Aru Mehta has any email. I don't know about it.
Mr. J.P. Goswami is on lakes.
When will it be convenient for him?
After 10 minutes, Lordship.
We don't have any matter.
I called him, Lordship. He said that I am on lakes.
Also, the matter was listed today on account of the fact that there was no representation on behalf of the respondents on the last date of listing, that is on 3/4/2025. Also, today, when the matter is called up, Mr. J.K. Goswami is stated to be busy in another court. Also, for the ends of justice, a registry is directed to list this matter again on Tuesday. Also, it is provided that no further adjournment to either of the parties would be granted in the matter any further.
Our argument is there.
It's there. It's there. We'll take it on record. We have already taken it on record. No problem.
Deeply obliged.
By the year, no words. Item number 1 and 2. Due to paucity of time, the order could not be delivered today. The registry to list this matters again on Monday, 8th, next wala Tuesday. If I get on deliver by sleep, Eta whole Monday and Eta whole Tuesday. From the Monday, second to Tuesday. 5565. Our file to move deliver by sleep. What I do.
Item number 1, pronouncement of order.
We will pronounce it, but not keeping well today.
Achha.
So I'll have it on, we have fixed it on Monday. The order is the other 50% ready. I only have to dictate the back other part. You will have the order on Monday.
Okay.
I'll get the detail.